Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you, Deanna, for giving me permission to send this video out to you guys, and I appreciate your time. There's a few things that I want to talk to you guys about today. Obviously, you guys spoke to Joshua, my colleague. We just want to show you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. So the first things first, there's actually three things I should say that we're going to talk about today. So the first thing is going to be content. Second thing is going to be backlinks. And then lastly is citations. Okay, and as we're here on your website, I do need to give credit where credit is due and tell you that your website was really well made. I do appreciate your attention to detail. It gives a very professional look to you guys, to your guys' business. Very simple, but also just it just looks very clean, looks very neat. Okay, but unfortunately, guys, Google doesn't care how beautiful a website is or how easy to access a website is. They want to know that you have content, okay? And what I mean by content is that they want to know that you have a lot of words on your website pertaining to what you do, okay? And a website, a dominant website usually has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the homepage alone, okay? So as I highlight your page here, if it will let me, let's see. Come on now. Okay, let's try this one more time. Guess we'll go here for now. All right. So half your page has 175. So I'm going to guess anywhere between 600 and 700 words your website has, okay? And as I said, a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, I should say. And Google wants to know that you have relevant keywords referring to what you do, right? Obviously, Google knows that you're not a Pizza Hut or a McDonald's or anything like that, so they want to know that your keywords have to do with your niche, right? So, which is concrete, right? I see that you have asphalt here. They want to make sure that your keywords are actually here on your web page. Okay, so what I did was I went on ahead. And as I said, the second thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. Okay, so what I went on ahead and did is just plugged in your website in my tool here. Now this is a paid tool. Obviously, I'm in the industry, so but there are some keyword researchers or some backlink checker tools that you could find on Google easily online, right? That are free, so that you can use and see exactly what I'm seeing. Okay, so first of all, here is you have 27 referring domains and you have 82 backlinks. What this means is that you have 27 different websites that are pushing traffic towards your website, and then 82 backlinks is means I should say how many times they're doing so. Okay, and then it says here that you have 65 organic keywords, right? And it's not the total amount of words that you have on your webpage. Obviously, it's just the keywords, so things that people actually search for in your area, right? You have roughly 89 people visiting your website per month. That's just a rough estimate, okay? And then that's bringing in anywhere between $39 in traffic value, okay? So each one of these people that are visiting brings in about $39, just roughly, right? So if I look at your competitors here, okay, jbconcreteservices.net. As I said, Google doesn't care about how pretty a website is. Obviously, this one's obviously really well built as well. I went on ahead and plugged in their website in here as well, and as you can see, they don't have nearly as much referring domains as you are, or backlinks. The thing is that their referring domains and their backlinks are probably more powerful, okay? They have more to do with concrete, not weird websites that are talking about restaurants and things like that, or anything other than concrete, right? So the referring domains that are pushing power to their website have more power to them, right? So Google is a popularity contest. They want to know that the other websites are vouching for you, that are telling you, like, you know what, these guys are trustworthy. They actually do what they say they're going to do. They're actual concrete people, right? So they probably have blog posts somewhere. They have someone out there that is vouching for them, like another website that has to do with concrete, maybe a concrete blog or something like that, right? That's pushing power to their website, and look at how much more money these people are bringing to them, right? So they're bringing $439 worth of traffic value, and yours is at 39. So they're kind of dominating you there. But the good thing is, guys, is that if these backlinks and referring domains are good enough to rank them, then they're good enough to rank you, right? So you would just research where these backlinks are coming from and just stack them on top of yours, right? And just ensuring that you're able to beat out your competition that way. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about is citations, okay? So obviously I looked up concrete contractors in Austin, Texas. I know that you're from Round Rock. It's just a tad north. Which isn't bad, right? Austin is just the larger city, probably where you guys get most of your business, right? So what I went on ahead is I typed that in, and then this is where all the money is, okay? This is where people are going to get their services done, right? I don't know if it's me, but I usually don't go to the second or third page to find what I'm looking for. I usually just go here to the map pack, only because I feel like it's more trustworthy. They're either closer to me, or they did the work to get themselves here in this map pack, right? Like with some of these reviews and things like that. So citations are roughly, in kind of in a nutshell, are any place that your business can be found in a directory, right? So you would need your name, your number, your website, your address in a directory. So an online directory is basically like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. You've got Home Advisor. You've got any of those directories like that, that you could find your business. That's where you would want to basically look up where your competitors are posting in their directories, their business in their directories. And you would want to one-up them, right? Maybe by 50 or to 100, right? So if your competitors have 100 different citations, right, then you would want to one-up them by adding another 100 on top of yours. So you'd want 200 just to ensure that you're dominating your competitors. And you take this number one spot here, and that would bring more traffic, essentially bring in more revenue, right, if you're able to close those deals. So with all that being said, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So there's a couple of options, right? So you can take all this information and utilize it yourself. As I said, just getting more content, ensuring that you up your keywords and the amount of words on your home page, and then looking at those backlinks from your competitors, their citations, making sure that you're able to outrank them that way, just kind of stacking them on top of yours too. And I mean, it does take time, but I mean, you could definitely do it, right? If you're looking to outsource some help, obviously I'm in the industry, so if you needed some help or guidance in any way, you could definitely reach out to me. Other than that, guys, I mean, it was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much, Deanna, once again, for allowing me to send you guys this video. Have a good day.